Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects many of us: financial struggles in 2024. Did you know that a shocking number of people are facing tough times when it comes to money? Stick around to find out more. Financial challenges can really take a toll on our lives. From stressing about bills to feeling overwhelmed by debt, it can all feel like a never-ending cycle. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to explore some practical tips to help you overcome these struggles and take control of your finances. Let's start by addressing the common financial struggles that people are facing in 2024. With the cost of living on the rise, job security becoming more uncertain, and debt piling up, it's no wonder many individuals are feeling the pressure. Financial struggles can be overwhelming and stressful, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can overcome them and achieve financial stability. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate through tough financial times and set yourself on the path to financial well-being. 1. Assess your financial situation. 1.1. Take inventory of your finances. List assets and liabilities. Write down all your assets, savings, investments, properties and liabilities, debts, loans, credit card balances. Calculate net worth. Subtract your total liabilities from your total assets to get your net worth. 1.2. Track your income and expenses. Monthly budget. Create a detailed budget to track your monthly income and expenses. Identify spending patterns. Analyze your spending habits to identify areas where you can cut back. 2. Create a realistic budget. 2.1. Prioritize expenses. Essential versus non-essential. Categorize your expenses into essential, housing, food, utilities, and non-essential, entertainment, dining out. Emergency fund. Allocate a portion of your income to build or maintain an emergency fund. 2.2. Reduce unnecessary spending. Cut back. Identify non-essential expenses you can reduce or eliminate. Shop smart. Look for discounts, use coupons, and compare prices before making purchases. 3. Increase your income. 3.1. Explore side hustles. Freelancing. Offer your skills on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Gig economy. Participate in gig economy jobs such as driving for Uber, delivering for DoorDash, or renting out a spare room on Airbnb. 3.2. Enhance your skills. Education and training. Invest in courses or certifications to improve your skills and increase your earning potential. Networking. Connect with professionals in your industry to learn about job opportunities or business ventures. 4. Manage and reduce debt. 4.1. Create a debt repayment plan. Snowball method. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first, then move on to the next smallest while making minimum payments on other debts. Avalanche method. Prioritize paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, then move on to the next highest while making minimum payments on other debts. 4.2. Negotiate with creditors. Lower interest rates. Contact your creditors to negotiate lower interest rates or more favorable payment terms. Debt settlement. Consider negotiating a settlement with your creditors if you are unable to make the full payments. 5. Build and protect your savings. 5.1. Automate savings. Automatic transfers. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Employer-sponsored plans. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans such as 401k or similar programs. 5.2. Emergency fund savings goal. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. Access and liquidity. Keep your emergency fund in a readily accessible and liquid account, such as a high-yield savings account. 6. Seek professional help. 6.1. Financial advisors, certified financial planners, CFP. Seek advice from a certified financial planner to create a comprehensive financial plan. Credit counselors. Work with credit counselors to develop a debt management plan and improve your credit score. 6.2. Government and nonprofit resources. Financial assistance programs. Explore government and nonprofit programs that offer financial assistance or counseling services. Workshops and seminars. Attend financial literacy workshops or seminars to improve your financial knowledge and skills. 7. Develop healthy financial habits. 7.1. Monitor your finances regularly. Monthly reviews. Conduct monthly reviews of your budget, expenses, and savings. Financial goals. Set short-term and long-term financial goals and track your progress regularly. 7.2 Practice frugality. Mindful spending. Be mindful of your spending and focus on purchasing only what you need. DIY solutions. Opt for do-it-yourself solutions instead of hiring services or buying new products. 8. Stay positive and motivated. 8.1 Set achievable goals. SMART goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound financial goals. Celebrate milestones. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. 8.2 Surround yourself with support. Support network. Build a support network of friends, family, or support groups who can offer encouragement and advice. Positive mindset. Maintain a positive mindset and believe in your ability to overcome financial challenges. In conclusion, overcoming financial struggles requires a combination of careful planning, disciplined budgeting, increasing income, managing debt, and building savings. By taking proactive steps and maintaining a positive mindset, you can navigate through tough financial times and achieve financial stability. Remember, it's never too late to start taking control of your finances and working towards a brighter financial future. Before we go, don't forget to share your own experiences with financial struggles in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on financial management. Together, we can overcome financial struggles and thrive in 2024. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.